Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Public School. As you all know that currently all the schools are conducting classes online only. So here at Brilliant Public School, we also conduct the classes online. So to start with this, the first and foremost thing is to install the school application in your mobiles so that all the communications from school to the students can happen smoothly. So for this purpose, today through this video I am going to tell you about the process. First of all, go to Play Store and search for Campus Care app. Install the application. Once the installation is done, open the app. In this screen, it will ask you to please enter web portal URL. So here the URL of school app you are supposed to enter, that is brilliant bsp.ntab entab.info. Here you are supposed to enter this only. Now click on the verify button. So it will ask you to choose the Brilliant Public School as your WhatsApp school. You click on the OK button. Now here in this page you are supposed to enter the user ID and password that has been sent through the SMS to your registered mobile number from the school. If you have not received the SMS, then you can click on forget password here and it will ask you to enter the registered mobile number. So here you are supposed to enter the mobile number which is being registered at the time of admission in the school and then click on the confirm button. After that, the student details will be available. Again confirm that and then you will receive the SMS which will have the ID and password both in the same number which you have entered here. So here I am entering the ID. Okay, ID is nothing but P and followed by the admission number of the student. So here I am using the ID of one of the student of our school. Okay, and then enter the password and then you will be able to sign in. So here I am at the home page of the application. Okay, so here all the details related to student which is required from the school will be available here. All the departments of the school will update the things regularly here in this particular application. We will see all the sections one by one, but first thing is the my profile option. So here you will click on my profile and all the details related to students will be visible there along with the photos, mother's name, father's name, admission number, roll number, their mobile numbers, everything will be mentioned here. If at all any of the detail you find is not correct or you have to update it, so I would request you to contact the admission department through the school's number. Once you have checked your my profile option, okay, the next section is timetable section where they can find the student can find the timetable. Another section is the syllabus where the syllabus can be downloaded and referred to. Both the midterm and the final term syllabus will be made available as and when required. Another section is the circular. This is very important section and here only you are going to get the notice about the Microsoft Teams application which school is using for the conduction of the online classes. So you have to check the circular section regularly because all the important communication notices come in the circular section only. Another option is the homework where the students can go and refer to the materials which is being shared by the teachers. Okay, so the teachers, whatever the study material they are sharing, whatever the homework they are giving, whatever the assignments they are giving, everything will be visible here in the homework section. All the study material can be referred from in this homework section. Another important section is my teachers where you can see this class teacher name as well as the subject teacher's name. Another important section is messages here where you can find the messages from the teachers, or if at all you have any doubt, then using this messages option you can communicate with your teacher. As we are able to see in this screen, okay, all the details related to the transport, attendance, even the library books, whatever it is, the books you have issued, all the details will be available here. Similarly, all the fees details are also available here. The various options are available: fee summary, the fee details, fee payment. If you want to make an online payment, that option is also available here. Fees paid details will be also be available here, and the due details will also be available here. So all the information related to the students can be found here. Another two important sections are related to exams. First one is exam schedule, where the student can find all the exam dates or the schedule. Another important section is exam report. Once the examination is over, evaluation is over, the results will be announced in this exam report section. So you can refer to this exam report for the results. All the other sections you can browse through, and then you will be able to understand everything in through this application. Okay, so this is the basic idea about the application. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching the video.